If we start sending more emails to our list, aren't we gonna get a bunch of unsubscribes, and isn't that a bad thing? This is one of the biggest misconceptions that I see e-commerce brands have when it comes to email marketing in 2024. They think people unsubscribing from your emails is a bad thing. And in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down exactly why I think you should be aiming to maximize the amount of unsubscribes that you get from your email marketing. Okay, hold on, let me explain. But what if 2 to 4 campaigns a week is too many emails? What if a bunch of people unsubscribe? What if we annoy our customers? I hear these questions every time I hop on a call with one of the 7 and 8 figure e-commerce brands that our agency works with. And the problem is, everywhere you look online, they constantly tell you that unsubscribes are a bad thing and it's something to look out for. But that couldn't be further from the truth. By far, one of the biggest mistakes that I see e-commerce brands making when it comes to their email list is they act like everyone is a customer. They try to please all of their subscribers. They make their emails super broad and vague, and they're trying to please everyone on their list so that they don't get unsubscribed and so that people don't leave their list. And they do this because once they see a couple people unsubscribe, they start to freak out. But why does this not work? And why should you not be thinking like this with your brand? There's a saying in the marketing world that goes like this: if you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. Attempting to please everyone on your email list in order to not get unsubscribes is a sure way to ignore your most ideal and your highest paying customers. The purpose of advertising, and in this case your emails for your brand, is to market and talk directly to your potential buyers and your past buyers based on all of the information you know about your past buyers. Think about it this way: the only difference between your potential buyers and your current customers is that your current customers have already bought. What I mean by this is, based on what you know about your current customers, the other people that are out there that are just like them, that haven't bought your product yet, are the people that you should be tailoring your marketing to. Your email should speak specifically to the person who is your exact customer, but just hasn't bought yet. That's it. They're the same people who want the same thing and have the same objections about your brand or products. Most of you watching this are probably running some form of paid ads already. So let's think about it like meta ads. You start to run ads on Meta in the hopes that some percentage of the audience that the algorithm shows it to are your ideal customers, and they start to purchase. And as you start to spend money and the algorithm starts to accumulate data and conversions, it gets better. But how does it get better? Well, it stops showing the ads to people who are unlike your current buyers, the people who are converting through your ads, and it starts to try to show it to more of those same people. In turn, you get data points and information about what messages are working for your ideal customers. And email marketing is the same thing. But what if you don't do this? Then you're burning money that isn't getting you a return on your ad spend, money that should and could be spent targeting your ideal customers. You also dilute your data from people who aren't actually your customers, taking their feedback in and start making decisions on your marketing messages that aren't even meant for your ideal customer, which causes you to lose your core audience because your messaging is misaligned. When you think about it like meta ads, it makes a lot of sense that you don't want some people receiving your ads. And with email marketing, it's the same thing. It's just with unsubscribes. So are unsubscribes actually a good thing? The short answer is yes. In most cases, we see a direct correlation between sales and unsubscribes. The more unsubscribes the client gets, the more sales that they make. The less unsubscribes that they get, the less sales that they make. Now, of course, this isn't the case for every brand, but I guarantee you that the only way to not get unsubscribes is to just never email your list at all. And if that's your strategy, you're essentially lighting 40% of your potential monthly revenue for your brand on fire, and you're leaving it on the table every single month. But if you're doing email marketing the right way, unlike 99% of brands in 2024, which I actually go over the exact right way to do that right here in this video, then you have nothing to worry about when it comes to unsubscribes. When someone unsubscribes from your email list, they are essentially letting you know that they aren't your ideal customer, that you shouldn't be marketing to them, that they don't align with your brand, your products, and your messaging. So if unsubscribes aren't a bad thing, what should I even be looking at? What should I be worried about? If you focus on these two things, or the things that I explained in this video here, you don't ever have to look at unsubscribes again. The first thing that you should be focusing on is growing your list. And you can do that with a high converting pop-up form on your brand's website that is capturing 6 to 12% of your brand's site visitors. These are people who either converted or didn't convert, and you've already paid to acquire. So by capturing them, you're giving yourself the opportunity to market to them in the future, as well as growing your email list and filling it with more of your ideal customers and filtering out the people who aren't. That way, if 50 to 100 people are unsubscribing from your emails every month, you have another 1,200 people to come in that are raising their hand and saying,
please send me marketing emails. I'm interested in your brand and your products and what you guys are all about.
The second thing that you should be focusing on is sending 2 to 4 campaigns a week the right way. Sending engaging content that's skimmable and educational, entertaining, and uses visuals and graphics to keep your readers hooked. And most importantly, speaking directly to your core audience and leveraging what you know about your current past customers in order to use that information and dial in your marketing messages to attract those same people and keep them coming back over and over again. So yes, unsubscribes are a good thing. They lower your Klaviyo bill. They weren't going to purchase purchase anyway. Your metrics start to go up because more people are engaging with your emails and the people who are not are off of your list. And so next time you want to think about sending more emails, but you're worried about unsubscribes, just know that if you're doing email marketing the right way, like I explained in this video, you'll never have to think about unsubscribes and you can send as many emails as you possibly can. So there we have it. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop me a comment under this video. Or if you're wondering if your e-commerce brand can send more emails or do more with your email marketing channel, then go ahead and book a call using the link below. If you want to get more insightful tips and exclusive email marketing tactics and strategies that we're using for our clients to grow their e-commerce brands through email marketing and generate up to 40% of their monthly revenue every single month, go ahead and subscribe to our free newsletter that we send 2 emails a week, giving you free training and the same tactics that we use for our clients to scale. I'll see you in the next video.